Spain, United States-based counsel to Nnamdi Kanu, the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, has threatened to drag Nigeria to the International Criminal Court, ICC, over alleged gross violation of his client's rights. Fain was in court on Wednesday to monitor Kanu's trial, but he was denied access into the courtroom. The IPOB leader was on October 26 rearranged on a 7-count charge bordering on treasonable felony and terrorism. Accompanied by heavy security, Kanu was on Wednesday brought to court for the continuation of the trial. Speaking with journalists, Fain said, "I will petition the working groups of arbitrary detention in Geneva, the International Court of Justice. I will be going to the United States Congress. I urge that sanctions will be considered against Nigeria for gross violations of fundamental human rights." He added, "Today is the 5th time I was told I could not enter the courtroom, despite the court's previous order that Kanu can have access to any 3 persons he wants to. I had a chance to talk briefly to him on my way to the courtroom. It is clear that I am the target in particular. That is the reason why this proceeding did not transpire today. I am here to tell Nigerians and the international community that I am taking this to the international tribunals. It is clear that the Nigerian tribunals are compromised," he said. Nnamdi Kanu will remain in DSS custody till 2023 before he will be released. The best thing the Igbos can do for Kanu now is to keep praying for him to be hale and healthy till he is released. No man can set Kanu free from Buhari's hand. The lawyers are just living fat with IPOB's money, I beg your pardon. Unfortunately, the poor masses in the southeast will suffer the consequences of today's judiciary recklessness, knowing fully well that IPOB will respond with something worse than the previous sit-at-home orders. It is high time the southeast political leaders stood up and called the federal government to order. These are reactions from Nigerians, and they are still talking. It is really clear that the federal government does not want, to say anything about Nnamdi Kanu's trial. The way it's going now, this is how they are going to be adjourning this case. But this is really very wrong. If they actually have anything against him, why adjourning the trial? Why? Let there be hearing of his case. They should stop adjourning the trial. It seems that the federal government have nothing to say against Nnamdi Kanu or whatever. That is the reason. You understand? Okay, someone said, does this Oyibo charge and bail lawyer have rights to defend someone in Nigeria court? The last time I checked, he must go through NBA and be called to bar before you can defend a client in a court in Nigeria. I hope he is talking about the ICC in heaven, the world wickedness where justice rules. Anything that has to do with Nnamdi Kanu, you will see Hausa Fulani hand writing everywhere. They will keep mute on that killing, on the killing going on in the various northern states. Hypocrisy. So, see why we have many foolish people in this country. It is only a sovereign state that can launch a complaint at the International Criminal Court, not an individual or even group of people. Can you see that even Sahara reporters and the so-called Nnamdi Kanu's lawyers are a bunch of extremely dundies, miscreants? Alright, that is harsh. Anyway, someone just dropped that. Thank God we are alive to witness how stupid the Nigerian government is. The Northerners are feeling the heat from Boko Haram and other forces. Igbos don't take any rubbish. We speak out. Many people are massacred in Katsina, Taraba, Kaduna, and Zamfara states, to mention but a few. I was expecting to read comments condemning such barbaric acts from Northerners, but unfortunately nothing of such. But in Nnamdi Kanu's issue, you will see many of them talking rubbish. This is a clear sign of expiration of Nigeria hypocrisy in highest order, whether we like it or not. Take it or leave it. From what I am saying, Nigerian spirit is inevitable. My learned friend from the US, this is a political game. They understand it. That is why they don't want you involved. They are only perfecting the strategies, and that is what they have done. Kanu will be released. Nigerian courts are puppets of the executive federal government. It is clear that fair trial is dead. ICC would be the best option before Eastern youth goes wide. Okay, they should just understand this. Someone said the question that should be bothering Buhari is, with the presence of these migrants from Libya, Kenya, under the umbrella of ISIS and their sister company, ISWAP, present in northern Nigeria now, in their great numbers, moving from community to community, house to house, looting and killing northerners in great numbers, burning, destroying, enslaving, taxing, raping them. Would he have a place to call home before his term in office ends? Why some of you, the northerners here, are mocking Kanu is because ISWAP haven't touched your area and you think they never will. Keep dreaming. You will wake up one night to the horror of its reality in your urban areas. Then you will realize what your so-called leaders is actually doing. Someone just dropped that. Guys, these are reactions from Nigerians. I'm dropping it here. Let's hear from you. Kindly drop your view below the comment section and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thank you very much.